Hey, do you have trouble hearing your cell phone ring? Maybe you have some hearing loss, or you have an older parent that's missing your phone calls because they can't hear their phone ring. I had that same issue, so I invented a loud, wireless cell phone ringer and flasher called Renny. It rings very loud and flashes when you get an incoming call. It's wireless and automatically connects to any cell phone, so you will never miss a call again. Now, it's not a speakerphone. You can't talk through it. It's strictly a very loud cell phone ringer and white LED flasher that will ring even if you accidentally turn your phone's volume down or if the ringer is completely off. Renny will still notify you or your loved ones and ring up to 117 decibels and flash when you get a call. It has other great features like text and email notifications, talking caller ID, selectable ringtones, and more. Stay connected to your loved ones with the Renny Ringer.